A Black Hawk helicopter collided with a American Airlines flight. Over DC. Yeah.
Over DC?
Over DC, yeah. And they plunged into the Potomac, and everybody's dead. And there's video of it. There's a fireball in the sky. The helicopter collides right with the plane. It explodes in the sky. Watch this. Boom. They explode and collide in the sky, and then this is the plane.
Oh, man.
It's crazy. And it's only, I mean, it's not, there's nothing fortunate about it, but it's fortunate that it landed in the river and then it didn't land on apartment buildings, and kill a bunch more people.
Man.
I don't even know how that happens. I've never heard of something like that happening. And then where did the helicopter emanate from? Where did it come from, Jamie?
Probably Andrews.
Because this is a military helicopter.
Andrews Air Force Base, I'm guessing.
I don't understand how that's possible. I don't get it, but I don't know anything about flying.
Man, you know what? Honestly, man, it comes close to happening a lot.
Fuck. That's so crazy that a military helicopter collides with a American Airlines jet.
Yeah, and I don't think it was some kind of malfunction. It probably was bad communication. Somebody got wrong information.
Yeah, maybe. Unless we find out that someone was on that jet. Like someone who had like some
important was on
gravity
that jet?
drive scientist. some fucking dude who's at the forefront of quantum computing. And he's got a laptop with him that he's trying to deliver to somebody in Saudi Arabia.
This is why I checked out, bro, because it's so hard to take everything serious because it's like we live in such a ridiculous time where that is the chances are more than zero that what you said is the case just now.
Right, more than zero.
It's like we live in a ridiculous. We don't trust anything.
Right,
I don't. So it's like that could be somebody. Because my next thought shouldn't be, I wonder if somebody important was on that jet.
The other thought was that you can control those helicopters remotely. You don't have to have pilots.
No, bullshit.
No way. You can.
You can fly a helicopter remotely.
Yes. They use artificial intelligence now not just to fly helicopters, but also to fly jets. And when they use jets that are controlled by artificial intelligence versus jets that are controlled by the best pilots we have, the jets controlled by artificial intelligence win dogfights 100% of the time.
Yeah, but they gonna fuck some. I mean, listen, because all I have to judge
this is the tinfoil. We're putting on some tinfoil.
Yeah, but all I have to judge my artificial intelligence is the Google Gemini and ChatGPT, and they be fucking shit up.
Yeah, so but this is just consumer grade.
Propaganda.
This is consumer grade shit that didn't exist a while ago. And you want some coffee?
No, I'm good.
And exists now. So here it is. Black Hawk remote control demos have been performed by Sikorsky Aircraft and Lockheed Martin to demonstrate the ability to remotely control a Black Hawk helicopter. These demos have shown the potential for autonomous flight and the ability to perform missions without a pilot.
Okay, but here's the other thing, though.
But this is the thing. If it's such a super sophisticated piece of equipment, how is it not, if it is being piloted by a person, how do they not have sensors that detect where the planes are? How is that even possible? That you could be in a place where planes are flying 500 miles an hour, left and right, all over the place, landing and taking off, and you're going to fly through that and you don't know where the planes are? That seems insane. That doesn't even seem possible because, like, how could you exist as a military aircraft if you don't have a comprehensive analysis of everything that's around you all the time? We have sensors. We put them on jets. Why wouldn't we put sensors on the helicopter?
Well, they probably do have them.
So why didn't it work?
Wow. We're going to find out pretty soon.
Will we even know?
Or we'll never
But everybody's dead, right? So how do you know when everybody's dead? They think the pilots are dead of the helicopter. I believe there was there supposed to be 2 people in the helicopter? Three people in the helicopter, and was it like 60 or 70 people? 60 people in the plane are dead.
Damn, only 60 people on a flight.
Small flight.
Yes, it was mostly a figure skating team. Figure skating.
Fuck, man.
Oh yeah, because that's the thing. I was saying it would have to be a group of people. Because if they just wanted to take out one person, why waste a helicopter? Like there's better ways to kill one person.
Yeah. Well, also, you want like the worst press possible. kill a plane filled with young figure skaters. The sweetest, most delicate people, like twirling around on the ice. I mean, we think of them like they're almost like superhumans. You know, we don't even want to think about. That's why, like, when that Tanya Harding, Nancy Kerrigan shit went down, nobody even wanted to believe it's possible. The figure skating community's got thugs. Remember that?
Yeah.
The figure skating community tries to take out people by breaking their knees.
And that shit was ripe for comedy for like 5 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. People get vicious about shit, man.
People get vicious.
But here's the other thing. It might just be incompetence.
Most likely it's incompetence.
Somebody was just fucked up.
Most likely someone made a mistake. Most likely.
Yeah.
But in this day and age, when you know about things that have happened, you know about false flags, you know about all kinds of shit that happens, you always got to wonder. And if we do find out, here's worst case scenario. What if a foreign government has figured out a way to hack in to our equipment and they can get a helicopter to fly right into a plane?
Oh, like this was a test run?
What if this is like proof of concept?
See, I think a better conspiracy would be if we found out that it was like Delta was behind it. You know what I mean?
Delta trying to take out American Airlines?
Or like Alaska was like, yo,
no,
we're going to fucking ruin their reputation.
But if you were a foreign country and you wanted to demonstrate that you have technical superiority over people, how would you do it? Well, first of all, you'd lay the groundwork, right? This is one thing they definitely did, right? Where's that lighter, bro? Got that? Thank you, sir. You lay the groundwork, and the groundwork is sell them all the shit they need. Sell them all the shit they need. And some of the shit you sell them, put a little back door in there. Put a little back door in there. And they've been doing that. That's a fact. That's why Huawei was banned from the United States. They banned Huawei phones. They were the most sophisticated phones.
Oh, man,
they were coming out of China.
Awesome.
They were so good.
They was great. Yeah.
I've told this before. Forgive me if you heard it before, but I tried to buy a Porsche design Huawei phone. It was an amazing phone. It was like so much more advanced than iPhones. It had a bigger battery. It had like 100 megapixel camera. And then right before it was coming out, they put the ban. And then there was all these national security concerns, and Huawei is like spying on Americans, and something about their routers and their systems. They figured out there's like backdoor possibilities that were engineered into these things. So they sold us cell phone towers and computer chips and all this stuff and all the components that you need to run your AI. So wouldn't it make sense that if they're a part of it, they're integrated into it physically, and we know they've put back doors on things, wouldn't you put back doors on the stuff that you're putting into jets?